which is also our last one. What is the connection between paragraphs 5 and 6? A. Both explain where frogs live at different stages. B. Both explain what frogs eat on land. C. Both explain how long tadpoles stay in water. And D. Both explain how tadpoles learn to breathe. Second time. What is the connection between paragraphs 5 and 6? A. Both explain where frogs live at different stages. Both explain what frogs eat on land. C. Both explain how long tadpoles stay in water. D. Both explain how tadpoles learn to breathe. So, this one is discussing and asking you about two different paragraphs. So, paragraph 5, which is here, and paragraph 6, which is here. So, let me see if I can fold my paper to where we can look at just those two paragraphs on the video. And yes, now you want to go back and look at the important sentences or sections of the sentences that you underlined and see what these two paragraphs have in common. Paragraph 5, we know that it was talking about how the frog is getting used to living on land by growing front legs, having a bigger mouth. It's called a froglet. By the time it's 12 weeks old, it gets a tail, and it will begin living on land. Now remember reading something about what it ate. In this paragraph, I don't see anything talking about food. So we might be able to go back and eliminate that answer. Paragraph 6 is talking about the frog living near the water, and that female frogs will go back into the water and lay eggs on their own, and the whole cycle begins again. And that they are the only animals that begin their life in water with gills and then grow lungs to live on land, and that they go through many different stages. So this is basically talking about the life cycle of a frog and how the life cycle of a frog repeats over and over again, because as the adult female frogs lay eggs, it repeats the process over and over again. So let's go back and look at our choices. Both explain where frogs live at different stages. Absolutely. We do know that they live on water when they're little and land when they're older. B. Both explain what frogs eat on land. We can eliminate that answer. C. Both explain how long tadpoles stay in water. No, we did not read how long they stay on the water. D. Both explain how tadpoles learn to breathe. It mentioned that tadpoles start to grow lungs that will help them breathe outside of water, but it didn't explain how they learn to breathe. So I'm going to eliminate that answer. Both paragraphs, as I'm sure you can agree, explain where frogs live at different stages in their life. So A is going to be my best option.